Hey folks, so today we're taking a look at the SoundPEATS Air 4 Pro, a set of wireless earbuds. Full disclosure, I did get these for free in exchange for the video, and I will say straight from the get-go that the Air 4 Pro, they're not the most premium earbuds that I've ever held in my hands. However, I feel for the price point they are offered at, they are giving a lot of value. So I opted for the black design, but they are available also in white. And the Bluetooth here is 5.3, which as far as I know is the latest version of the technology. And one of the great features here, talking about the Bluetooth, is that you can enable the dedicated gaming mode if need be, and that will give you a super fast 88 milliseconds maximum latency. And in terms of the sound quality, the 13mm drivers here I have found do pack a punch, so I was pleasantly surprised. And the voice clarity when listening to podcasts is also very clear. There are also 6 internal microphones here for giving you a clarity of voice when taking hands-free calls. And one neat little thing here is that you can connect these earbuds to 2 devices at the same time, such as a phone and a tablet, or a phone and a computer, and quickly switch between those devices as the need arises. But one of my favourite features here is definitely the active noise cancellation. Now, ANC is not a feature that you can take for granted as being included with earbuds at this price point, so the fact that it is here, and it works very well I have to say, is a really nice thing indeed. It works up to 45 decibels, and if you are not familiar with ANC, then it will effectively block out the surrounding ambient noise when you are using your earbuds so that you can focus on the sound that they are producing. However, you can also use these in pass-through mode if you do need to hear the ambient surroundings, for example if you are exercising in public and need to be aware of traffic. Battery life is also impressive. These are rated for up to 6 hours of normal use on a single charge, up to 4 hours of use with the active noise cancellation, or if you are combining them with the charging hub, then you can extend the battery for up to 26 hours. And speaking of the charging hub, as you can see, the case is very small. It's going to be great for travelling. It's very portable, easily fits into a pocket or a small bag. And finally, this is optional, but you can also download the SoundPEATS app, which gives you some pretty good control over the equalizer settings for the earbuds. But as I said at the start, I think the Air 4 Pros here do offer a lot of value and are definitely worthy of consideration if you are looking at getting a new set of earbuds, perhaps for commuting, exercise, or for whatever other reason. So folks, thank you so much for checking out the video, and have a great day.